Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of What's New at Quilter. So I've got extremely exciting news. As you can see on this board, we've restocked all our Olfa products, and there's quite a few things that I'm quite excited about as well, which are new products. We haven't had them in store already. So if you have a look at the next video, we will be demonstrating this awesome Olfa Folding Mat. Okay, so here I have with me the Olfa Folding Mat. This is approximately an A3 size. So as you can see on either side, they have these little wavy seams, which is awesome because when you open it, it interlocks perfectly, so much so you actually cannot even see that. Why this is so cool is because you can travel with this in a little bag for your classes, your quilting classes, or even if you have minimum space in your sewing studio or sewing room. This is quite easy to store as well, as they can fit almost anywhere. It's just the size of an A4 page. Yeah, so this is quite awesome. Go have a look in our online shop, it will be there, or come visit us in store.